Hi there! Welcome back to the Best Reviews channel. In today's video, we're taking an inside look at Proton VPN. Launched in 2017, this service was initially designed by Proton AG with the purpose of protecting journalists and activists from oppressive governments. Just like the company's other products, Proton VPN is open source and compatible with the most popular operating systems. Its performance is consistently good, and it has secure protocols, P2P and streaming support, custom connection profiles, and even a free version. Stay tuned as we unpack Proton VPN and discuss its features, performance, pricing, and promotions, which include savings of up to 70%. For more details about Proton VPN, visit our website at bestreviews.net and check out our full written review. Now, over to you, Saskia.
Users have a few different options for using Proton VPN. For starters, there are apps for Windows 7 and macOS 10.12 and above, as well as Linux. For mobile, it supports Android and iOS, and is even compatible with Chrome, Firefox, Android TV, Apple TV, Chromebook, and DDWRT and Tomato routers. With a limit of 10 simultaneous connections, Proton VPN offers more than 8,500 servers in over 100 countries, supporting peer-to-peer, streaming, Tor over VPN, and smart routing. When it comes to the available protocols, Proton VPN includes IKE v2, WireGuard, and the ever-useful OpenVPN. Since Proton VPN is headquartered in Switzerland, it benefits from the country's own privacy laws, which aren't affected by North American or EU regulations. But unfortunately, these laws don't extend to servers in certain countries, so Proton VPN created Secure Core to bypass this issue. It tunnels the user's traffic through multiple Proton-controlled servers in privacy-friendly countries such as Switzerland, Iceland, and Sweden. This method ensures that even if the server's final destination is located in a region with strict data monitoring, attackers would only be able to trace traffic back to the Secure Core network, so they're completely blocked from stealing your data. This feature can be toggled in the app, and when turned on, it displays a handy visual representation of how your connection is being routed. Another excellent feature is the VPN's connection profiles that include default options to connect to the fastest server or a random one. The best part is that you can create your own profiles, letting you choose the type of servers, protocol, location, and other details, making it much quicker to connect. In our performance tests, Proton VPN didn't let us down. In general, Proton VPN showed an average download speed reduction of 19% and an upload reduction of 44%, which is well within expectations. For example, even when connected to Los Angeles from Europe, in a location over 5,000 miles away, the speed reduction was only 25%, which is more than acceptable. Proton VPN's security and user privacy is another excellent reason to consider it as your go-to VPN. Pulling out all the stops, only the most reliable encryption protocols are used, such as WireGuard. Strict security standards are adhered to with AES 256-bit encryption, a 2048-bit key exchange, and DNS leak prevention, which proved effective in tests. Proton VPN is also dedicated to building user trust and is transparent about how it operates. It has open source code and independent audits, and reports are freely available to the public. Proton VPN has plenty of subscription options to choose from. Most of them offer the same features but differ in duration. For starters, there's a free forever version with limited features, or if you want more from the software, there are paid plans for 1 month, 1 year, and 2 years. The cheapest option is the 2-year subscription, which includes the full range of features with a generous 70% discount. The company also has a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can always rely on a full refund if you don't get on with the VPN. To pay for your subscription, Proton VPN accepts credit and debit cards, PayPal, Bitcoin, and even cash. Should any questions come up, Proton VPN offers multiple support options. Its website includes a blog, getting started and troubleshooting guides, and FAQs. For personalized help, users can submit an email or use live chat, although the latter is available to paying customers only. We contacted Proton VPN numerous times over the course of a week via email submission. Testing the system as a non-paying user, we got cordial and straightforward replies with varied reply times. We found the wait time unpredictable, which was a downside we weren't expecting. When it comes to online presence, Proton VPN is almost everywhere you can think of, with accounts for Facebook, Instagram, X, and YouTube, as well as communities for Discord and Reddit.
Thanks, Saskia. Proton AG is a well-established company with solutions across various industries, and we were delighted to see that its VPN reflects the high standards of its other products. With reliable speeds, no DNS leaks, transparent privacy policies, multi-platform support, and standout features like Secure Core and customizable connection profiles, Proton VPN is always a strong choice. The only drawbacks were the limited free version and restricted live chat support for non-subscribers. After analyzing Proton VPN's advantages and disadvantages, as well as its effectiveness in unlocking services like Netflix and Hulu, we find Proton VPN best suited for streaming. If you'd like to know more about Proton VPN, check out our review linked in the description below. Thanks for tuning in. See you in the next video.
Thanks for watching our video review. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and leave us a comment down below if you have any questions. For more reviews and other videos, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you'll be notified of future videos. See you next time!